Have hundreds of website images without proper alt text? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate AI-powered image alt text using Accessify. You'll learn how to optimize images individually or in bulk to improve website accessibility, support screen readers, and strengthen your image SEO with just a few clicks. Let's get started.
First, open Accessify.app and click Login. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the dashboard. From the left navigation menu, click on Image Alt Text. Before generating alt text, you'll notice an alt text best practices section. This guide explains how to write effective image descriptions and walks you through the recommended workflow. If you're new to image accessibility or want to improve your website's image SEO, it's worth reviewing these best practices first. Now return to the dashboard and refresh the page. Click Add Website if you're connecting a new website. Since I've already added mine, I'll simply open the existing website. If you haven't connected your website yet, you can watch my previous tutorial where I explain the complete website setup process step by step. Inside your website dashboard, you'll see two main sections. The first is Website Sitemaps, where Accessify automatically lists the pages available on your website. The second is Images, where all extracted images are stored and managed for AI alt text generation. To generate alt text for a specific page, select the page you want to process. Now click Get Images. Accessify begins scanning that web page and extracts all images found on it. After a few moments, refresh the page. Next, open the Images section. Here you'll see every image that was successfully extracted from the selected web page. For this website, I've already generated image alt text while creating my previous Shopify tutorial, so the images already contain descriptions. If you're working with new images, simply click the AI button beside any image. Accessify will use 1 AI credit to generate a descriptive and accessibility-friendly alt text for that image. Each AI-generated alt text consumes 1 AI credit, so keep that in mind while processing large numbers of images. Some images don't need to be read by screen readers, such as purely decorative icons, background graphics, or visual separators. For those images, simply enable the decorative option and click Save. This tells assistive technologies to ignore decorative images while keeping meaningful content accessible to users. Now let's see how to generate image alt text in bulk. Return to the website Sitemaps section. Instead of selecting only one page, choose all the pages you want to process. Now click Get Images. Accessify starts extracting images from every selected page automatically. After the extraction finishes, refresh the page. You'll notice that images from all selected pages have now been added successfully. Open the Images section once again. From here, you can generate AI-powered image alt text for all extracted images, making it much faster to optimize an entire website instead of processing pages one by one.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.